I want to dye this fondant royal blue. This is marshmallow fondant that I popped in the microwave to make it more pliable. I found that regular royal blue, this is royal blue, but the label has faded a little bit. Royal blue, just using this by itself, can be a little harsh. And sometimes I want to mute it or make it look a little darker, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I also have some Regal Purple and some Super Black that I store upside down because this bottle is almost empty. I have some Crisco here that I'm going to keep rubbing onto the counter so it doesn't stick and in my hands. And what I want to do, let's just start by adding some royal blue so you can see what it looks like straight out of the bottle. All right, so when I see this blue, this makes me think of like a kindergarten, you know, like Sesame Street blue. Like it's too light. If you want to do something like Superman or get a deeper royal blue, we're gonna have to add different colors. Let's try to add just a little bit more and see how deep we can get this before we start adding the other colors. So that's about as deep, unless you add tons of coloring, you can get a little deeper, but you see how it's a lighter shade of blue. So now let's start adding more color to this and try to deepen it up. I'm actually making a cake this week and she wants this shade of royal blue, so that is not the same. So I have to make it a little darker. So how do we do that? You saw how much royal blue I added. It was a lot of royal blue. And let's try to start deepening it by adding a little bit of purple, not too much, and a little bit of black, also not too much. All right, as you can see, it's already starting to deepen up a little bit. So I want to get the blue a little deeper, adding a little more blue, and then less purple, and a tiny bit of black. You can see it's getting darker. It's getting to be a nicer shade of royal blue rather than just the blue itself. Just want to add a little bit more purple. And that looks like it's a pretty good match. Also, a little note, when you add so much coloring to fondant like this, this is Tylose powder, CMC powder, Gumtex powder, it's all the same thing. I just want to sprinkle a little bit on here because all of that coloring really makes the fondant soft. I'm just going to wrap this up and put it in an airtight container until I'm ready to use it.